All right, oil prices are slightly down after an increase on Monday.
Saudi Arabia announced Sunday that it would cut down on its oil production by 1 million barrels per day in July. At its peak Monday morning, crude oil went up more than $73 a barrel. As of late Tuesday morning, prices were down about $1.50.
All right, so what's going on here? Summer Saeed joins us now. She's the senior Middle East correspondent for the Wall Street Journal and can shed some insight into what's taking place. Summer, what's the motivation, in your view, behind the cut in Saudi oil output?
So, in recent months, the Saudi Energy Minister, Prince Abdulaziz, has been fixated on speculators, particularly short sellers. And he had come up publicly last month and said that that they should watch out and they will be ouching. And that was the first indication that the market saw that OPEC was actually going to cut. The real issue, however, is that the kingdom is trying to keep oil prices elevated, and the minister has been facing a lot of pressures from his half-brother, who is actually the crown prince, who has been trying to transform the economy from an oil-dependent via mega project. So the minister has to keep oil prices elevated. And also, analysts actually has been estimating that the kingdom needs an oil price of above 80 a barrel to balance its budget.
Well,
that's really the...
Yeah. You know that I'll ask on behalf of people in this country, how will the average American be impacted? Is there going to be a rise in the prices that people who drive pay at the pump?
So we could see oil prices elevated in the short term. And U.S. gasoline prices usually follow the price of crude oil. But gasoline prices have been lower this year by more than 25% versus a year ago. So we're very unlikely to see them shooting back up to levels that will become a political issue for President Biden like we saw last summer. And I also doubt that if we see elevated prices, that they will last for long.
We did see here in the U.S. record oil prices last year around this time. We do now still have the ongoing war in Ukraine. Russia is a major oil production and export nation. To what degree is Russia's war impacting the market and these prices?
Well, what's actually happening right now is we're seeing data coming in indicating that Russia is actually not cutting production as they had pledged. And they're continuing to pump large volumes of oil into the market, which, of course, is helping them finance the war in Ukraine. A couple of days ago, we've seen that oil exports from Russia's western ports have had 40-year record in May. And that actually could keep prices lower for now because they're not really going fully in when it comes to their promised pledged cuts.
Summer Saeed, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Summer.